Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Numero Esim and signing in. This ensures the app stores your ESIM profile securely. Next, purchase or import the specific ESIM plan you need for WhatsApp verification. You need the ICSID or activation code to proceed. Once added, go into your phone settings and enable the installed ESIM profile. Make sure it's active for data. Doing this first saves time later. Because WhatsApp needs a reachable number and active data, or SMS for verification, you want the line ready now. Once the ESIM is active, open WhatsApp and enter the phone number provided by Numero. Choose SMS verification first. WhatsApp will attempt to send a 6-digit code to that number. Make sure your device is set to use the ESIM for data and, if supported, for SMS routing. This is why you enabled the profile earlier. If the SMS doesn't arrive within a minute, request the verification call. Answering that automated voice will read the code. These steps are how WhatsApp confirms control of the number. After receiving the 6-digit code via SMS or voice call, type it into WhatsApp to complete verification. Once done, restore any backups and finish profile setup. Make the ESIM the preferred data line so WhatsApp can send and receive messages reliably, and ensure background data is allowed. If something goes wrong, first toggle the ESIM off and on, then restart the phone. If verification still fails, contact Numero support with your ICSID and a brief description. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.